Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious English cucumber pickles. First, select the freshest, firmest cucumbers you can find. Next, ensure your jars and lids are perfectly clean and sterilized. We will then gather all the necessary ingredients, including vinegar, water, salt, and your favorite pickling spices. This comprehensive guide will walk you through both quick pickling and long-term preservation methods, ensuring you have tasty pickles ready to enjoy. Now, let's create the perfect pickling brine. A foundational brine typically consists of equal parts water and white vinegar. For every cup of liquid, you will want to add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. If you prefer a sweeter pickle, incorporate about 1 teaspoon of sugar per cup. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until all the salt and sugar are completely dissolved, ensuring a consistent flavor throughout your pickles. With your brine ready, it is time to prepare the cucumbers and jars. Thoroughly wash your English cucumbers and slice them into your preferred shape, whether spears or rounds. Carefully pack these slices tightly into your sterilized jars. Next, add your chosen aromatics such as fresh garlic cloves, dill sprigs, or a pinch of mustard seeds for extra flavor. Finally, pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave exactly 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. The final step involves processing and storing your delicious pickles. For long-term preservation, process your filled jars in a boiling water bath. Pint jars should be processed for 10 minutes, while quart jars require 15 minutes. If you are making quick pickles, simply allow them to chill in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours before enjoying. Properly processed pickles can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year, ready for whenever you crave them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.